Back again, it's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed Sunday morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, Emric Needham, the superintendent of the St. Elizabeth Fire Department, is urging locals to stay vigilant as the hurricane season is still active. Wanna hear that? Wanna hear what I just said a while ago? Emric Needham, the superintendent of the St. Elizabeth Fire Department, is urging locals to stay vigilant as the hurricane season is still active. Referencing Hurricane Milton, which made landfall in Florida early Wednesday night as a major Category 3 storm, causing power outages for over 2 million people and resulting in 16 fatalities so far, Needham stressed the importance of life safety. So my wisdom warriors, this is the fire superintendent in Jamaica, in St. Elizabeth, and he might tell us say, you stay vigilant because of the hurricane season. The hurricane season is still active. And listen to me, guys. Remember, say, the Caribbean, they're close to America. So you know the thing set already. Anything can just switch up. You get me? But we just have to send up prayers same way. Member of Parliament for Central Manchester, Rhoda Moy Crawford, is condemning what she says are utterances that may demotivate the police and undermine their crime-fighting efforts in the parish. The first-term MP condemnation follow comments by councillors in the parish questioning the rationale for a spate of recent imposed curfews. But my wisdom warriors, the mayor, that a Mayor Mitchell, Donovan Mitchell, he came out and he's saying he wants to know why the curfew is in night. And that him saying, why there is a night curfew. He said he want reason. He want to explain to him. You understand? Him say crime happening in a broad daylight. This is what he said. So Crawford, Rhoda, how comes you just a run out and a run off your mouth? I show Andrew Ownless come down there, walk up and down with you. Andrew Ownless come down there, so I walk up and down with you. And I use politics, using politics and a hand over NHT house. Make the Jamaican people them out here now think say Andrew Ownless I give the people them NHT house. When that is not the case. So true because Andrew Ownless walk up and down with your other day. You feel say you have the right to come out and not come chat about you condemn. What you mean you condemn? He is the mayor for God's sake. The mayor want to know if crime are happening broad daylight. Why una do night curfew? This is what the mayor is saying. This is what the mayor is saying. And the mayor have all right. The mayor have all right, Rhoda. So I don't know where you come from. I don't know if it's true because Andrew Ownless walk up and down with you down a man devil other day, fly up in your head. You come out and a chat shit. You come out and a chat shit. Listen to me, lady. Me like you, no? Me like you. But let me tell you something. Me want you to do the right thing. Me want you to do the right thing. Don't make Andrew Ownless swallow up your little brain cells. Don't let Andrew Ownless swallow up your little brain cells. Because you want Andrew Ownless to walk up and down other day and the handout NHT house. Make the Jamaican people thinking that Andrew Ownless will give a free house when that is not the case. I must eat flare up in your head. Lady, do the right thing for Jamaican people. Because you out here are condemn. You out here are condemn what the mayor say. But you not condemn when the police them make the small business owner them a lock them shop, but big business owner place still open. You not talk about that. Me telling you say una only chat off on the mouth, but una is not for poor people. People who are trying to make it in a life, una don't care about them. Me say my wisdom warriors, when me see it, me say I have to come share this with una. Oh, she wants a bright, sir. Oh, road is so bright. Eh? Oh, you so bright. We not hear nothing from you. We not hear your voice. Because you can't stand up in a house of parliament and chat. You can't even, you can't even cough. You can't even cough or, or clean your throat good. You understand? You come out here, Lord, I can condemn. Eh? You're bright and out of order. You're really bright and out of order. Crawford, you're really, really bright and out of order, Rhoda. I don't like it. The mayor have all right to ask what is the reason behind the curfew from 6 to 6. You want to know what is the night curfew for? And that him say, and on top of it, on police out here, on Jamaica Labour Party, on the Labour Right Police out here, telling the small owner business them, so them feel like them business, but yet Island Grill open. Me tell you, so Jamaica will suffer underneath Andrew Holness hand. Jamaica are going to suffer terribly underneath Andrew Holness hand. Terribly, my wisdom warriors. Seriously, Jamaica are going to suffer. Because what? Uno Jamaican people, uno not see for yourself. Uno want everybody come out and tell uno this and tell uno that. Uno not see things for yourself. Uno not look and search far and wide. Uno not looking and searching far and wide. You understand? This a government here are going to crush the Jamaican people with wickedest way. The wickedest way, my wisdom warriors. Me I tell you, this girl come out and talk about she condemn. Lady, if the man say my ask, what is the reason behind? And that him say, no, that's all the mayor say. Wanna tell me if the mayor say something wrong. Killing is happening. And the mayor say killing is happening at broad daylight. You hear me play it yesterday in one of the video. The mayor say killing is happening at broad daylight. So what? Why is there a night curfew? Why is there a night curfew? Rhoda, you have to stand up with the mayor. You know, if you come out and condemn, you know, like this, I must show Andrew Holness walk up and down with you in a mandeville. Must show Andrew Holness walk up and down with you, you swallow up your brain cells. Happy? Because I hear you come out and a chat. So how after a sudden you just fly up, come out and a chat off your mouth. Lady, when you come out, you come and chat with sense. Chat something sensible. You understand? You have to stand with the mayor. What the mayor saying is true and what he's asking are the right thing he might do. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right there, so. Wanna tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right, because I agree with the mayor. You can't have people like that in a broad daylight, but yet you have the night curfew. That don't make no sense. That sound like a sitting at the drunk of them up too. And that it sound to me, you know. And then on top of it, them tell the small business owners them, fill out them shop, but yet the big business owner them still open. And uno labor right, nothing wrong with that. It's okay. Uno out here, I follow Andrew and I follow Rhoda. This is how uno no sense. Uno fool your frig. Miss Crawford says the security measures are necessary as the parish continues to record an uptick in murders. Yeah, this is what she said. All right. You know when I notice my wisdom warriors, she only come out and she say, yes, the murders are go up, and this and that. Yeah. But really and truly, the police them a give the resident them a hard time. The police them a give the resident a hard time. I mean, I hear them a talk about that. You understand? The police them a give the resident them a hard time. Because them have to close them business early. And guess what? These are the things that cause problem, you know. Because when they tell a small business owner to lock them place, you know. Yeah, all of them to lock them place, you know. And then when they look up the road, Island Grill up there, you know. Them sitting there make people get corrupt, you know. Uno didn't know that? Them a type of things that cause problem, cause more crime. So, I don't understand. Me no know. They're not look into things. John know. Them not look into things. Or probably them not even mind everybody did. Oh, me see it. John know. But so tell me one thing here, my wisdom warriors, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this.
I'm gonna make this video and get straight to the point. Honestly, what is like coming back to Jamaica to live 3 years now? Been in the States for 21 years, come back to live here. It's very, very difficult. 2 weeks ago, I said I was going to move and go to a different country to live, a different island. It's very standstill in Jamaica. Nothing has been growing. There's no money in the bank. The lines are long. Everything's based on tourism. So after 5 months is on tourists, everybody struggles. The Jutta drivers are struggling because, you know, everything's based on tourism. And I found something out a month ago that the people that plant herbs and hustle it, to sell it, that the American government, Jamaica going to allow the Americans to bring it in here legally, but we can't bring ours there, but they could bring us. So that closed a whole other market. All the hustlers, they used to use, plant their good herbs to sell. They can't sell anything anymore because it's been brought in. So everything has been killed out in Jamaica. A lot of the small Airbnbs like mine and guest houses are being for sale because they cannot keep afloat because there's no guests here for like 8 months of the year. Everything is based. Only big luxury hotels are making it. It's killing out the small man. It's just really, really bad. And something has to be done. I am not gonna give up, because there's a lot of talent in Jamaica. A lot of our young people are talented. I must do my shows. I'm gonna produce my own shows, my own movies. I'm gonna showcase my people's skill. There's a lot of huge houses in Jamaica that build up millions of dollars, and people left and they just went back to America or England or wherever, because there's nothing to keep them here. They come home with the hopes of staying here and just run off and just gone, because they understand why they leave. The infrastructure is not growing, nothing is moving. And so when you come home with the intention of retire, and you can't, if you have $10, you keep dipping in every day, and you're not making anything back to put in there, you're gonna eventually broke and go back to poverty. So I understand why so much of them leave. But we can't just keep running away. We have to stand still, stand together strong, and try to bring some kind of infrastructure for our country to grow. For our people, it's going to take over by all these big hotels. Every day, Jamaica government embrace one of these big hotels. Look, there's not a big hotel. Look, there's not a big hotel. Look, there's not a big hotel. And all these big hotels, and they pay the people hundreds of dollars a week to work for them. So the people are still being poor. And they take all the money in this big hotel and put it in these other countries. They don't invest it back in Jamaica. So we are going down, and there's no way around. And I wish I didn't notice a public. I go to a whole other island and come in here, but I'm here and I spend millions of dollars here. And I'm not walking away from not giving up, but we need to stick together and try to see if we could make our country stronger.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear what she say? Every single thing what she just speak a while ago is facts, everything. And this girl, this lady, she is a business owner. When me talk about business owner, my wisdom warriors, me not talk about no like a fenge business owner, Me not and one thing with this lady, she embrace Jamaica. You understand? And she love Jamaica. You hear what she say? She live up America for how long? About 21 years. You understand? And she give up all of that, come to Jamaica for make a life. You understand me? And from here she talk like this. This is a woman who always talk good about Jamaica. You understand? And you hear what she says. She want Jamaica to be better. She want Jamaica to be a better place. But guess what? Andrew Holness come out and tell you that the economy is booming, don't it? You come out and tell the people the economy is booming. This is booming, which it is all a lie. It is all a lie. The only people them we are boom are the rich people, them my wisdom warriors. Andrew Holness Corporation is the only corporation that is booming. And is growing. When you hear Andrew Holness and Nigel Clark come out and say how the economy is growing, but this lady is saying something totally different. And when you hear what she say, she not give up. This is what I like about this lady. Me always watch her, Me always watch this lady, my wisdom warriors. You understand? Me always watch her. And from when you hear she talk, me I telling her straight. Me I telling her. She mean well for Jamaica. She mean well for our country. And guess what me I go do? Me I go try find our link, my wisdom warriors. And me I go put our link in my comment section or probably in my description. Yeah? If you don't see it in the straight away, hold on, because me I go get it and me I go put it in there. Guys, this lady, she built up whole heap of houses. I think, I can't remember exactly where right now. But what me I go do, me I go put the description. So anybody like is traveling to Jamaica and stuff like that, you can reach out to her. I don't know how exactly she do it, but me I go get her information and put it in there. Anyway, you tell me what you think about that. Tell me how you feel about it and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Take in Marky G.
We live in an era when the people have lost faith in politicians and the institutions of governance. We have passed laws in this House and in this Parliament to put in place a robust anti-corruption framework. But there is no demonstrated political will to deliver accountability. At least 5 ministers of this JLP government and numerous politically appointed board chairmen have had to step down for various misdeeds or even corruption. It is only the reports of the Auditor General, the pressure from the opposition, and the revulsion of the wider public that forced them to step down in each of these occasions. That was the only reason why. This has to stop, Madam Speaker. Without effective accountability, misconduct continues and the public becomes more and more cynical. I pledge to the people of Jamaica that the next PNP government will be different. We will make whatever further adjustments to the anti-corruption laws and institutional framework are required to make them effective. I brought impeachment legislation to this House to hold parliamentarians to account for their serious misdeeds, a promise which the Prime Minister made when he was campaigning in the run-up to the 2016 election in his manifesto, but has not delivered. And when we form government, Madam Speaker, we will seek to pass that impeachment legislation into law so that no parliamentarian can bring the public, our name and our reputation into disrepute by their antics out the road without suffering some accountability for it. And I have told my colleagues on this side, Madam Speaker, when we form government under my leadership, don't expect leniency, don't expect accommodation when it comes to that kind of wrongdoing or any kind of wrongdoing. Expect full accountability. We will govern with integrity. We will govern with integrity. Public resources are for the benefit of the people and not for any individual's personal gain or profit. Time come for a new direction.
My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this, because I totally agree with Mark Golding. You understand? I totally agree with Mark Golding. If you agree, put agree in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Remember to follow me on TikTok, IG, and X. The link are there in the comment section. You can also reach me on WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.